Today I received a package and we're gonna unbox it. Alright, here we go. Ugh. It's kind of heavy. I'm so excited because I feel like I can't use it if I don't unbox it first. We're just gonna do a really quick unboxing for this. It is what I thought it was. This is what some of you have been waiting for and what I have been waiting for quite some time. An update. We're finally having an update video on the keyboard. 1 year after. This is it. Oh, wicked. Oh, it looks so good. It's my second keyboard. Thank you so much, NuPhy. Oh, it does say here, the package is not the formal sales package and is only used for unboxing samples. We get first look. I really am not supposed to be this excited, but I am. I really am, and I'm not faking it. There's a lot in the whole mechanical keyboard industry, and I'm just getting into it. Heck, I barely dipped my toes into it. And so, being able to buy this first, and then now, a year after, get one from the same company that I bought from, it blows my mind. Also, it is my first mechanical keyboard, and now this is my second. Ah, yes. This is the case that it comes with. You know what? I should take the case of the other one as well. They make such nice things. Plus, I love the color. Opening it. Is it also magnetic? I think it is. Oh, this is so nice. This was the one for the first one. It's also like a cloth. The same with this one, but it's much bigger. Look at that. So this is the new one. And this is the first one. Ah, okay, so the footprint is much, much smaller than the new one. And the material that they used is also different. The new one is faux leather. It's nice. I like the color. I have to say that. This one's magnetic. I'm pretty sure this one is also magnetic. The new one's also magnetic. Okay, we're gonna put these on the side. This is the original one. I'm gonna pop it in like this. And it's gonna get closed like that into this nice little package on the side. We are now going to open, oh, I'm so excited, the box, the actual big box that contains our new mechanical keyboard. Innovating and not imitate. Ooh, also, off the bat, there are a couple of things here that I like. Although this isn't an upgraded version of the NuType F1, this is an entirely different product, but from the same company that made NuType F1. So this is the Air 75. It has a 16mm ultra-thin design, 2500 milliampere battery, low-profile mechanical switches, ultra-thin PBT keycaps, and a flowing RGB side light. It's designed by NuPhy. Low delay, low profile, lightweight, 75% layout. I have to say, this box is pretty good. Look at that artwork at the back. Okay, let's open this. Oh, there we go. This is definitely a box that you'll keep. But as per what they've mentioned, it's not the formal sales package yet. It's not what you get when you buy one from them. This is just for the unboxing purposes. First look, pre-release. Nice. That's the sleeve. Yo, I have to say, I like it when you open it and it's not your typical cardboard. Little details like that make a difference, okay? Design, the unboxing experience, we all live for that. Oh, this is nice. These are the stickers, yo. Look at that. I love that they put thought into the products that they make. And it's not like a one-off thing because we all know that we throw away or set aside the user manual. Nobody really reads that. But in this case, it's not just a user manual, it's a poster. Also, the material used to print this, high quality. And we're gonna continue with unboxing. This is the keyboard. Oh my gosh. It feels more like a mechanical keyboard. This feels more like a mechanical keyboard because the NuType F1, if I'm not mistaken, is a different type of keys. It's flat. Too excited. I'm too excited. We got that one out of the way. We got a box here, and I'm pretty sure this is where the keys, the extra stuff. Oh man, this is too awesome. Too awesome. Let me just say that. This is it. The keyboard. Too cool. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is it. These are the other accessories that come with it. Keycap puller and switch puller. Extra keycaps and switches. Oh no, these are the ones for the bottom that you attach to the back. These are the extra keys. Oh, very, very interesting. Oh, it comes with switches. Oh, clicky! And the receiver. These are your different switches. That's your brown switch. Blue switch, red switches. This is your USB cable, braided USB to Type-C cable. Okay, moment of truth. I'm not entirely sure what kind of switches they gave me. Sound test. It's not clicky. I like the fact that it's not clicky. This is the NuType F1, and you can see I've used this for a year. And I've been using it ever since I got it. The finish on the back for the NuPhy Air 75 is plastic. And you can sort of see through to see like the components inside. And the finish on the back of the NuType F1, 64 keys. There we go. The NuType F1 is 64 keys. The NuPhy Air 75 is 84 keys. Wireless mechanical keyboard on both. Okay. And just like that, I believe this goes on. It's magnetic! I kind of knew that. The difference between these two is this one is built more solid. Aside from the number of keys that come with it, this one is something that's more portable. Although this can also be portable because it does come with a pouch. I love it. It also has shortcut keys. Also, fun fact, apparently the Quick Brown Fox goes through the entire list of the alphabet, which is why it's what we use for typing. Oh, crap, I almost forgot. We have keycap. Thank you so much, NuPhy, for sending this over. I am beyond ecstatic. Oh, if I was really happy about that, I'm really, really happy about this one. Oh, this is cute. I believe this is something that you also use to take things out, just like this. I suppose. Again, people educate me in the comments section because I'm not entirely sure. Oh, they sent two. Oh, wicked. This is the, oh no, I was about to say it's the same. It is not the same. Oh, wow, nice, okay. It's not that they sent two, it's just, it doesn't fit in one. This is why I'm such a noob when it comes to mechanical keyboards. But, okay, so you've got, instead of white keys, you've got gray keys, keycaps. Am I going to attempt to try to pull a keycap? We're gonna try. Okay, you wonderful people. If I am doing this wrong, please forgive me. So one of the feedback that the creators got from the NuType F1 is that when you're using the caps lock, you're not really sure if it's on or off. And so they fixed that with an indicator light here. If it's white, then the caps lock is on. If it's yellow, then it means you're in wired mode. If it's blue, then it means you're in Bluetooth mode. And if it's green, then it means you're in the 2.4, I guess that's a 2.4 gigahertz mode. On the right side, it tells you the battery. Always on. Okay, so that's nice. You get the option of always seeing your battery life or not. That's good. I love that they gave that option to the user. Oh, these are cute. I have to say, these are cute. That little accent color, green. Oh, that's cute. And plus it says USB-C, just so you know, and you don't mess up. And Windows, oh, this is awesome. They finally just made a switch for you to either use it in Windows or Mac, which makes it 10 times more convenient. This is fantastic. Plus off-wired and wireless. I approve. I absolutely approve. Okay, so the keyboard itself isn't RGB. Okay, I want you to look at this. This is really nice. The colors. That's nice. Moment of truth. Ah! Yes! That's my first try. This is a switch puller, I am guessing. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, shoot! These are the switches of the NuType F1. This is the end of the NuType F1. This is the end of... Okay, here you go. Sound test. This is the brown one. This is the blue one. This is the red one. I changed my first keycaps. Awesome. I changed my first switch. I guess that's it. This is just an unboxing. It's not a review because Obviously, I haven't tried it out. There's still a lot to dive into as we try out the Air 75. But so far as first impressions go, I like it. I really love it. I love the new things that they added. I love the LED indicator on the left and on the right. I love that they have a switch now to make it more convenient between Windows and Mac. And you also have an indicator here that says off, wired, and wireless, as opposed to the new Type F1 wherein it was just a switch and you kind of just guessed. Okay, well that's it for this unboxing. I believe that they're still in pre-order or pre-launch, or maybe by the time the video comes out, they've already launched on Indiegogo. If you want one for yourself, they're available on their website and I will link them in the description down below. Let me know what you think about this mechanical keyboard. Would you buy one? Let me know in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!